Perfect temperature for my famous banana bread. Look how wonderful they turned out. Yes, we did a great job. I hope everyone likes them. Here you go, fresh banana bread. Enjoy your healthy vegetable bread. Please try my strawberry tart. Everyone loves our cakes.
We make a great team.
Yes, we do.
Come on, little chickies, time for breakfast! Where are you, little one? Oh, there you are. Back to your mama now, little one. Time to water the garden. Almost there.
Drink up, little plants.
Look at this beauty. Perfectly ripe and ready for picking. That's a good day's work. Now to clean up the pond. That's better. Time for dinner, little fishes. Enjoy your meal. Happy fish, happy farm. Gotta keep your home clean too. Gotta keep your home clean too.
Such lovely eggs. almost done with this row. These red ones are looking mighty tasty today. Grow big and strong, little ones.
Well, the chores are finished, and the sky is beautiful. Good night, everyone. A good dinner after a good day. Another day, another chance to help the farm. Good morning, everyone.
Almost strawberry harvest time.
Grow big and strong, little ones.
Oh, look at this one. It's perfectly ripe and ready for picking. Look at that. They're growing so fast. Oh boy, look how red they are. Time to eat. Look how red this one is. I think it's ready for me. Oh, these berries are so sweet, the very best I've grown. Yes, they are.
Ta-da! Our best harvest yet. Aren't they absolutely perfect?
Come on down for the freshest strawberries in the county. We just picked them this morning. These are the freshest strawberries you'll ever taste.
Here's the freshest basket in the patch.
Thank you, farmer.
And welcome, neighbor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh boy, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What a haul!
This is the perfect spot. Strong and sturdy, just what I need. Almost there. This will keep the wind out. Home sweet home. A little color to brighten things up. It's perfect. It's perfect. Come to my housewarming party. There will be food and fun. You did an amazing job. Okay, let's get this barbecue started. Smells delicious. Enjoy, everyone. This is the best housewarming ever. Look at all those stars. Guys, I have the best idea. Let's plan a Christmas celebration.
That's a wonderful idea, Milo. I'm in. I'm in.
A Christmas celebration
a Christmas celebration shall commence.
Look at all these pine cones! Perfect for decorating! These cookies will be a treat for everyone.
No, no, the star must be placed higher.
Almost done! These lights will make everything sparkle. The tree looks magnificent. A new set of paints. Thank you.
A new scarf, just what I needed. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my, a beautiful new bell. Thank you, everyone.
A new monocle. How perfectly splendid.
These cookies are delicious, Daisy.
Silent night, holy night. Fa la 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 la. With feeling, Barnaby, with feeling.
Almost finished. Just a little bit more sparkle.
It's snowing! A perfect Christmas! He needs a carrot nose.
Here you go, dears. Some warm cider to warm you up.
The hat is slightly askew, but the overall composition is quite acceptable.
This is the best Christmas ever.
Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night, night.
I know. I'll make everyone treats. Apples, bananas, berries. Star cookie cutters. Mix it all together for a Christmas treat. Almost ready. Ooh, they're getting nice and brown. Just a little longer. They're ready.
Now to cool. This one here, and this one there.
Almost finished. Wow, look at all the lights! I can't wait to deliver these presents. Surprise! Special delivery for you. Shh. Special delivery for the nicest folks on the street. Merry Christmas! Walking in a winter wonderland.
Wow! What's this?
Wow, how thoughtful! the best spot in the whole house. Santa's definitely gonna stop here first. Huh. Who could that be at this hour? Merry Christmas, Milo!
Merry Christmas, everyone!
This year's crop is going to be amazing!
Water, water, grow so tall, soon we'll have a feast for all. This will let everyone know where the best vegetables are. Chicken, come visit my farm. I've grown so many vegetables.
Oh, I'd love to.
Cow, come visit my farm. I've grown so many vegetables.
I would be delighted, Monkey.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that. This will be the best cake ever. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. This will be the best cake ever.
Now we wait for the magic to happen.
Welcome, chicken. I'm so glad you could make it.
Thank you.
The farm looks wonderful.
Welcome, Cal. I'm so happy to see you.
It's a pleasure to be here, Monkey.
Oh, it smells heavenly. Indeed, it does.
So, what do you think?
It's absolutely delicious.
A truly delightful treat, Monkey. Look at all these bananas. This is going to be the best harvest ever.
Optimization goodie. Check it out. Aren't these the most amazing vegetables you've ever seen? We've got carrots, tomatoes, squash, you name it. And these are my prize-winning tomatoes.
It's so round and red. What does it taste like?
I'm so glad you both like it here.
Wow, look at that sunset. It's perfect for the harvest.
Thank you for a wonderful day, Monkey.
It was a pleasure indeed.
Thank you both for coming.
Nothing beats a perfect day in the garden.
Look at that.
My very own green banana farm.
Good morning, world.
This is the perfect spot for my duck farm. I need lots of wood for the duck house. I need lots of wood for the duck house. Almost done. Just a few more nails. There! A perfect home for my ducks! Welcome, my feathered friends!
A clean home is a happy home.
Here you go, everyone! Breakfast time! We're all friends here.
Quack. A little egg for my friend.
So many lovely eggs.
almost ready to eat.
Just the right amount of seasoning.
Delicious. Now for the dishes.
All clean and shiny.
What a lovely day.
Quack, quack. This is so much fun.
They seem so happy. Another beautiful day on the farm. Quack, good night.
Sleep tight, little ones.
What a beautiful night.
More eggs. Happy ducks.
Almost done. A new home for my feathered friends. There, nice and sturdy. Enjoy your new home, friends. Grow big and strong, little ones. Here's some water to help you grow.
Let's see if there are any unwanted visitors.
Not on my watch.
Not on my watch.
Go find somewhere else to munch.
Fresh grass for a happy goat. Here you go, friend. Enjoy.
Thank you.
We make a good team, don't we? If we move the sprinkler over there by the carrots before the sun goes down, they'll get enough water by morning.
Time to whip up a tasty dinner. Look at that shine! Remember to brush every day, kids!
Time for bed. Slippers on and ready for adventure. Another beautiful day on the farm.